Hello guys, once again welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are in the Paws Airdrop, and I'm going to show you how you can complete this particular task right here and earn 5,000 Paws points, as you can see right here on my screen. So guys, before I go into that, please, if you have not subscribed into my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Now, without wasting your time guys, let's quickly go into what this video is all about. Now, first of all, before I take you into it, let's go into their official Telegram channel so that we can understand what this task is all about. Let's see whether they have had something to say. And right here on their official Telegram channel, you can see they didn't say anything regarding to the task. But let's head back into the bot. Now, if you head back into the bot, you are going to see a palm right here. You can see your full hand right here. So I believe this quest has something to do with this. So and the name of the quest is almost last quest. Almost last quest. And you can see right here, it is going to last for 24 hours. So it has lasted for 40 minutes already. So it's left 23 hours and 20 minutes, and you can see it's showing 0/1. So 0/1, what does it mean? So it means there is something you are supposed to do once. So now, what is that? It seems Pulse is trying to take our handprint or fingerprint or whatever task it is. So please, before you do it, make sure that all your fingers, you bring all of your fingers close, all of them together. So before you place your hand, make sure you bring them close together so that your hand will be able to fit into the screen of your phone. And then this section of your phone, this particular place where I am circling like this, make sure that it is in the middle of your palm. Make sure that the middle of your palm, especially like where your thumb is, let it fall somewhere here. Once it falls here, you are going to get it, but if you don't make it fall here, you might have issues. So make sure that you mark that place and let it just fall there exactly. And raise your hand, uh place it on your screen. Once you press it on your screen, it is going to you are going to see that it is showing claim. Make sure that you show your full palm. Make sure it is your full palm. You can see I just did mine. I pressed my full palm on my screen and it enabled the claim button, as you can see right here. So that is how you can do it guys, and you are going to get your 5,000 pulse points. You can just go ahead and claim it. So you remember, you see what Pulse just said here. So it's almost over. So it's almost the last quest. And also, let me just add up something in this particular video. If you are participating in this Pocketfi, please, I want you to take it serious. This video, I just decided to add this because it just came to my mind as I was about rounding up this video. So something told me to add this because I've been thinking of making a video regarding it. I always forget about it. So as it came now, I said let me share it with you. Now if you look at this thing, now this Pocketfi, whatever thing you are earning here are the actual tokens. These are the actual tokens that you are earning here. So this is not my main account. Don't mind what I'm having here. Whatever you are having here is the actual allocation. You are not mining points that will be converted. No, you are actually mining the tokens. And you can see this is my token per hour. Now, what is it that I want to share with you? Look at this. Look at this. Burn in 2 hours. Burn in. You are going to see 02. That is 2 hours, 6 minutes, and 21 seconds. See, claim from this. So you can claim from this, and then your tokens will start getting burned as soon as this time elapses. So I have been mining this project for some time, and I just realized this not too long. If you mine this thing and this time has elapsed and you didn't claim, you didn't come here to claim, it will start reducing. As it is reducing, this your profit per hour, this your switch per hour will also be reducing. So it will affect what you actually mined here, and it will also affect this for the rest of your mining sessions. If you look at when I just started this account, I was mining like over, for example, when I just started this account, I was mining I think five switch per hour. But if you look at it right now, look at what is there. It is just 1.3, because most times I forget to mine this. I mine my main account, and I forget this, because this I normally use it to make videos to guide people. So look at it. So if you have been making this mistake, guys, please make sure that you correct it now. Make sure that you correct it now. So I just thought of sharing it. And if you are not yet farming this project, it is going to be, in fact, this is one of the most trusted project I have on Telegram right now, after Paws. After Paws, this is my main project that I can actually say, okay, I'm actually participating in an airdrop. So it's very, very huge. It's going to be huge. So if you are not participating in it, go to the comment section, like I said, or in the description section. You are going to see it there. It will be there, plus the links of other projects that I have also selected. They are not just Telegram projects. They are also mining project out of Telegram. So please just go through it and then start farming immediately. Guys, there is serious money in cryptocurrency. Serious money in cryptocurrency. But it will only go for those who are serious, who are willing to take the extra miles, who are willing to not give up when everybody is giving up. Who is only going to go to those who are patient. So guys, please don't miss the opportunities you are having in this cryptocurrency. It is a privilege. So many people have prayed and hoped for this opportunity we are having in cryptocurrency right now, but they didn't have it. So we shouldn't don't joke with it. I am not joking with it. Don't let us joke with it. So guys, that is all I wanted to share with you in this particular video. So please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscription button